All right. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Stephanie. For those of you who don't know me, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my hair with the DYSON Airwrap styler. I have another video on this already. If you guys haven't watched it, go ahead and watch that. I'll link it down below on how you use each attachment. Basically just demonstrating, how it works. But today I am going to show you guys how I got this hair. I'm just going to be focusing on the curling barrels and the smoothing brush. So if you guys want to see how I got this hair, keep on watching. I'm going to go in with the BB Hairdresser Invisible Oil, which is the Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser Invisible Oil Heat UV Protective Primer, which looks like this. So I'm just going to spray this all over my hair because I do not want to damage this hair. I'm going to use the smoothing brush and I am going to put it on the highest settings. So high heat and full blast because ain't nobody got time to be sitting here for 3 hours. I'm just kidding. I don't take that long with my hair. No. So that's the first step I do. Obviously, it doesn't look straight. It did get the roots of my hair, which is what I was worried about because I'm gonna end up curling my hair anyway, so I don't really care for everything else. Just the roots, want to make sure that they're smoothed out. All of this, don't care because I'm about to curl it. I am gonna go ahead and start using this one. almost done, but I did want to show you guys that I do use the round brush for the top of my hair, which is like the last part, only because it just grabs my roots better. Like basically just section it in little pieces and just do the same thing I was doing with the firming brush. I'm just gonna stretch it out, comb it through, but this one just gets my roots better. All right, I am finished. This is the end result. Look at how shiny, soft, bouncy it looks. There you have it. That is how I style my hair now with the DYSON Airwrap styler. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give